Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Clean PowerPoint Studio. Wish you all a very happy new year. In today's video we will learn to create this beautiful team introduction video in PowerPoint. Hope you will like it. If any of you is interested in the free template, please drop me an email on cleanpptstudio@gmail.com. Let's insert a frame first from the Insert Shape menu and change its color to white and remove the outline. Now let's insert a rectangle below this frame and make it white and remove the outline. Adjust its width same as the frame. Select both these shapes and from the Merge Shapes click on the Union option to make this as one single object. Now rotate this a little and create a duplicate by pressing Ctrl+D and move this here. Repeat this and create two more frames. Now select these four images and arrange them within the frames. I have downloaded these images from rawpixel.com. The link is given in the video description. Open the Animations window, select the RTeam text box and apply the zoom animation. Adjust the duration and select Start with Previous option. Now select this frame and apply the teeter animation on it and then adjust the duration and select Start with Previous. Lastly, select the picture and apply Fade animation, adjust the duration and select Start with Previous. Let me open the animation pane. Let's reduce the zoom animation duration. Now let me apply the same animation on remaining frames and pictures by using Animation Painter. Then bring these pictures after these frames. Now select the frame and picture and add some delay so that it will start after some time. Repeat the same for remaining frames. Now go to Insert window and find this clip icon and insert here. Change its color and then place it on all the frames. Now we are ready with our first slide. Create a duplicate slide and remove all the animations. Select the RTeam text box, change its alignment to left and reduce the font size. Now move this to the top. Delete the clips and frames and keep only pictures. Let me copy-paste the rectangles from next slide to this slide and then arrange these pictures on top of these names. Now duplicate this slide by pressing Ctrl+D and then delete these three pictures. Right-click on this image and click on Bring to Front. Now move this rectangle up and increase the size of this picture. I am copy-pasting the same text from my original slide to this slide and we are done. Now duplicate this slide, delete the picture and text and move this purple rectangle back to its original place. Select the next rectangle and move this up. Bring the second picture here. Now bring this rectangle to the front and then bring this picture also to the front. I am again copy-pasting same text from my original slide to this slide. And we done with this slide also. Now let me quickly create the remaining two. As a final step, select all the slides, go to transition window and apply the morph transition and we are done. Let's see how it is playing. Perfect. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.